Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z5 and capture breathtaking photographs with optimized settings. Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the Nikon Z5 to fine-tune its settings for stunning photography. Let's start with the core pillars. For most situations, Aperture Priority Mode, or A, is your best friend. This lets you control depth of field, crucial for isolating your subject or capturing expansive landscapes. A wider aperture like f/28 or f/4 will give you beautiful bokeh, while a narrower aperture like f/8 or f/11 will ensure sharpness across your entire scene. Next, let's talk ISO. Keep your ISO as low as possible, typically ISO 100, for the cleanest images. However, don't be afraid to raise it in low light. The Z5 performs admirably, but aim to stay below ISO 3200 if you can to minimize noise. Experiment to find your comfort zone. White balance is key to accurate colors. While auto white balance is often excellent, consider specific presets for consistency. Daylight is great for sunny days, cloudy for overcast conditions, or incandescent indoors. Better yet, shoot in RAW and fine-tune your white balance in post-production with perfect flexibility. For focusing, single AF or AFS is perfect for stationary subjects. If your subject is moving, switch to continuous AFC to ensure it stays sharp throughout your shot. Use the focus area modes to tell the camera where to lock focus. By mastering these key settings, Y aperture for depth, ISO for light, and white balance for color, you'll be well on your way to capturing exceptional images with your Nikon Z5. Experiment, practice, and let your creativity shine.